In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get 120 FPS on PlayStation 5 Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Fortnite on consoles supports 120 FPS. To do this, you will need a specific TV or monitor that supports 120 Hz as the refresh rate, and then you change a specific setting inside of the game. So to start, head over to your PlayStation 5 settings. You will have to access the screen and video category before changing this option inside of the game. When you go over to screen and video on the PlayStation 5 settings, you will go into the video output tab, and finally, below resolution and VRR, you will find 120 Hz output. Enable 120 Hz video output for games that support 120 Hz frame rate. All that you have to do is change this to either on or automatic. So if it is set to off, swap it to automatic. Now, like I said before, if your TV is unable to output at 120 Hz, then you will not be able to do this. Some monitors or TVs will not have access to 120 Hz, and if that's the case, then it is going to be impossible to enable 120 FPS inside of Fortnite itself. After you change this setting, you are good to go. If you want to ensure that this works, you can also enable ALLM, but usually this isn't going to be needed. And then once you go inside of Fortnite, access the settings before going into a match. On the video category under graphics, you will find 120 FPS mode. Just make sure that you set it to on and then save the changes that you've made. It is simple and it is going to remain at 120 FPS whenever possible. You can try using performance mode on your PlayStation 5 if you want to ensure that you get the absolute highest frame rate possible, and this is going to work for Fortnite and any other game. I hope I was able to help you on how to get 120 FPS on PlayStation 5 Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.